Welcome once again to our space on YouTube. I'm super excited that you have found our corner, and while you're here, it would mean a huge deal if you can help us grow our family by subscribing and hitting that post notification bell to receive updates when we post. So today's video is all about herbs. Now, before I get into the gist or the meat of the matter, so to speak, let me just make this statement, which is extremely important. It's an FDA legal statement with regards to these products. These statements and information I'm about to share with you have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, and therefore these products are not intended to diagnose, cure, mitigate, treat, or prevent any disease. So with that out the way, let's get right into it. Now, we are all aware that herbs possess so many benefits, and they help us in so many ways, whether it's maintaining overall health or trying to rejuvenate us from an illness or a sickness. Plants have been around for eons, and we're now only discovering their numerous benefits. If you think about things in a time gap, so to speak. So we have several supplements for immunity support, as we call them. So I'll go into explaining what each product is and the benefits of each of these. So first on the list is the ionic silver. Now, this is what it looks like, and I will, hopefully you can see that label there. And this is a term used to describe tiny particles of silver suspended in a liquid. So that's basically what that is. So I want to just remind you, I'm looking down at my notes, my product inserts that you get when you order your products. So our ionic silver is an all-purpose remedy for various infections and illnesses, and our blend is 20 ppm. That means ppm means parts per million, which means you get a higher percentage of potency. It's usually 10 ppm, but we amp it up for a little. So it is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and can be used daily as an immunity booster. It's also used in wound cleansing and healing. So if you have like bed sores and any cuts and burns, you apply this to it and it heals, it speeds up the healing time and process. So that would be this one. Next we have the echinacea tincture. These are tinctures, and this is what this one looks like. And the echinacea tincture is a Native American coneflower, but it's technically classified as a herb. It's taken at the first sign of a cold or flu. So you notice if you're getting a flu or a cold, you get a sore throat and it feels rainy and irritated. Yes, you use the echinacea, or some people say echinacea, it's the same thing. And it's been proven to shorten its lifespan when you take it at the first sign that you think you might be catching a flu or the cold. The benefits are numerous for the echinacea, And some of them are, it relieves skin inflammation, relieves UTIs. And UTIs are urinary tract infections. It enhances the immune system. It's a natural antibiotic. It lowers blood pressure. It helps control blood sugar. It aids healthy cell growth, helps manage anxiety, and reduces risk of breast cancer. So, and like I said, it cuts the lifespan of colds and flus. So with all viruses going around now, especially if you feel a little wheezy, you want to take a few drops in water or juice, or you can take it straight if you're really well with tinctures, because these are alcohol based, 40% grain alcohol. So if you're really good with that taste, straight, and you can take that and it just absorbs faster into the body. Next tincture here would be the periwinkle. And this herb is it's a little pretty flower that you see. It's usually wild. It grows very easily. And the leaves of this plant, which is the Vinca minor, they contain alkaloids. One major alkaloid is known as vincamide and has been used for centuries in the treatment of certain ailments such as Alzheimer's, depression, memory, to maintain your memory, diabetes, hypertension, insomnia, anxiety and aggressiveness, diarrhea, vaginal discharges, throat ailments, tonsillitis, chest pains, sore throats, intestinal pains, toothaches, and edema, which is water retention. So that would be the periwinkle tincture. And the next one we have on the list, next tincture would be the olive leaf tincture. That's what this one looks like. And this comes from the leaves of an olive plant. And it contains an active ingredient called oleuropein. This nutrient is thought to contribute to anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of that olive leaf extract. So taking the olive leaf, it helps with a few chronic conditions, such as it supports healthy weight loss, it eliminates free radicals, because we're in the age of technology, we're bombarded by all these G's, 4G, 5G, all these G's. So you want to maintain a certain level of protection for yourself. It lowers your blood pressure. It helps to treat type 2 diabetes, boosts immunity, fights herpes, reduces cardiovascular risk like arteriosclerosis, reduces inflammation, and it usually helps to prevent cells from becoming cancerous within the body. So that would be the olive leaf extract. Next on the list would be our elderberry. This is the elderberry. And these berries are usually found on the plant, but it's not advisable that you just pick them raw and consume them. It's advised that you let them dry thoroughly and then you process them. So it's quite powerful, and it's been proven to be one of the most go-to remedies in maintaining overall health. The reason being is because it keeps the respiratory system healthy. It prevents and eases cold and influenza symptoms, again, which is crazy now with all these things going around. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It strengthens the immune system. It ruins cancerous cells, boosts the digestive system, gives clean, clear, and youthful skin. It helps relieve nasal congestion, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral. And this, children love the taste of elderberry. So it's also good for them to give them every day to keep them healthy and active as they should be. And last on the list for now would be our black seed. This is the black seed, and it is scientifically known as Nigella sativa. It actually grows as a small flowering shrub with purple or white tinged flowers, and it grows in Eastern Europe, Western Asia, and Northern Africa. That's the areas that you find it growing wild. And it's been shown to have antioxidant properties. And these help with conditions like high blood pressure, again, because that's a big one. It's very common, too common actually. High cholesterol, improves rheumatoid arthritis symptoms, decreases asthma symptoms, reduces stomach upset, reduces acne flare-ups, reduces psoriasis, and hydrates the hair. So, with all that information about these wonderful, powerful natural herbs, I just want to remind you guys that even though these are available and ready to take, ready to use, we want to develop and maintain healthy habits holistically. So this includes drinking lots of water. If you're in an area where you have access to fresh coconut water, be sure to stock up on that because it is super healthy for you and very hydrating. I'd say it's Mother Nature's saline, so you want to have that. It's a natural hydrating, energy boosting drink. And we want to also consume lots of fresh organic fruits and vegetables. We want to maintain getting sufficient rest, not necessarily sleep per se, but you want to get enough rest because you need to rest and relax and unwind. And you want to stay away from stressful environments and stressful people and stressful situations, because these things contribute to you becoming unhealthy. And when you're unhealthy, that invites dis-ease because the body is going haywire. So I encourage you guys to help us help you by supporting us and supporting what we do. So we'll leave the link for all these products down in the description below for you to get online, go on our website and make your purchases and incorporate them into your daily regimen. Once again, I thank you for inviting me and bringing me into your space. It's been my pleasure, and I will see you guys on the next video. So stay tuned and be well. Thank you.